Imagine a camel loaded with straw, each piece adding to its burden. One final straw causes the collapse. This vivid image explains the idiom, the straw that broke the camel's back. This idiom means a seemingly minor action or event causing an overwhelming reaction due to accumulated pressure. It's the tipping point when all previous issues combine, resulting in a dramatic outcome. You'll hear this idiom in situations where cumulative stress or problems suddenly lead to a major consequence. It's the breaking point in any series of events. The origin dates back to ancient times, relating to the physical load a camel can carry. The final straw represents the limit of endurance, beyond which collapse is inevitable. In modern usage, it helps illustrate how small, seemingly insignificant issues can lead to a significant breaking point when they accumulate over time. Example, sentence 1. After weeks of late nights, missing the deadline was the straw that broke the camel's back for the exhausted employee. Example, sentence 2. The constant noise from the construction was annoying, but the early morning drilling was the straw that broke the camel's back. Example, sentence 3. They tolerated many issues with the landlord, but the broken heating system was the straw that broke the camel's back. Example, sentence 4. She managed her busy schedule well, but missing her flight was the straw that broke the camel's back. Example, sentence 5. The team faced various challenges, but losing the key player to injury was the straw that broke the camel's back. Understanding this idiom helps in recognizing how minor issues can contribute to a significant problem when they accumulate. It's a powerful way to express reaching the limit of patience or endurance. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.